Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well with your studies. Now, today we will start a new chapter, and our chapter name is addition. So, what is addition? Can anyone tell me? Yes, addition is the process of summing up two amount or two number and give the resultant, that is the sum of the two number or sum of the two amount. Now I will give you one example of addition in general. Ram has 6 white marbles and 5 glass marbles. So how many marbles does Ram has in total? Can anyone tell me the answer? Ram has 6 white marble and 5 glass marble. How many marbles he has in total? Yes, how we can find this? We can find this by summing up the two amounts. If we sum up these two amounts, we will get the total number of marble. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many marble does total? He has in total 11 marbles. Or simply we can add this two amount. 6 plus 2 numbers, 6 plus 5, how many marble do we get? We get 11 marbles. This is a general example of addition. Now in this chapter we will see addition of 3-digit number and 4-digit number. As you already know what is a 3-digit number, so let's start from the 3-digit number. But in this kind of addition we will not have the carry. We will do the addition without carry. Now see the first example. 215 students from Delhi and 123 students from Chennai participated in a dance competition. How many students in all participated in the dance competition? Now see how many students are there from Delhi? 215. And how many from Chennai? 123. Now we will arrange the numbers according to their place value in their places. We will write 5 in ones place, 1 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. We will also arrange the other number according to the place value. 3 in ones place, 2 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now we will sum up this number and we will start from the right hand side, that is from ones place. Okay, ones place, what do we have? 5 and 3. So count the number in a finger. 5 plus 3, how much? Count in a finger. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8. We will write 8 in ones place. Then in tens place, what do we have? 2 plus 1. So 1. Then count the number in finger. 2, 3. What is the answer? 3. Then in hundreds place, what do we have? 1, 2 and 3. So 2 plus 1, how much again? So what is the result? 338. Now let's take one more example of addition of 3-digit number. Now let's start from the ones part. Now 6 plus 3, how much? Yes, count in your fingers. 6 plus 3, 6. Then 3, 7, 8, 9. So what is the result? 9. Now go to the tens part. We will start from the ones part. We will start from right hand side. Now 4 plus 5, how much, student? Count in your fingers. 5 plus 4, how much? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After counting in a finger, how much did you get? The result is 9. Now go to the 100 part. 2 plus 4, how much? Count in a finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the result? 6. So what is the answer? 246 plus 453. If we add these two numbers, what is the result? 699. We will start our new topic, that is addition of 3-digit number with carry. Now let's take the first example. adding 456 and 297. We will arrange the number according to the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now we will start adding this number. We will sum up. Now see the first one. We will start from the right hand side, that is ones place. 6 plus 7. Yes, add these two number. Count in your finger. You know how to count in your finger. You already have seen in class 2. Yes, 6 plus 7 how much? 13. So from the 13, so we will write the number 13 and see, this is tens place, this is ones place. Which one we will write? We will write the number that is in, we will write the digit that is in ones place. So we will write 3 here, and this one will go as carry forward. See, we will write the 3 and the 1 is carry forward to the next tens place. Now 5 plus 9, count in your finger how much? Yes, count fast. 14. Now see, 14 plus 1 how much? 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So from the 15, what we will do? We will write this 5 that is in ones place, this digit 5 here, and we will carry forward this 1 to the next hundreds place. Now 4 plus 2 how much? 6. 6 plus 1 how much? 7. So what is the result? 753. There is no carry. Now let's take one more example regarding this topic. We will add this 2 3-digit number and we will start from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. 6 plus 8 how much? Count in your fingers. Yes, count. What is the answer? 14. So from the 14, what we will do? This is tens place, this is ones place. Which digit we will write? We will write the digit in ones place, that is 4. We will write the 4 here, and this one we will carry forward to the next digit, that is next in tens place. So carry forward, plus 1. This one will be carry forward. Now 8 plus 2, count in your finger how much? Yes, 10. 10 plus 1 how much? 11. So from this 11, what we will do? We will write this one in this one that is in ones place here, and we will carry forward the number in tens place. So we will put 1 here, plus 1. 5 plus 1 how much? 6. 6 plus 1 again how much? 7. So what is the result? 714. The sum of 528 plus 186 is how much? 714. Now the next topic that we are going to study is properties of addition. The first property of addition is the order property of addition. What is the order property? First read the property. Changing the order of addends does not change the sum. This is known as the order property of sum. Now let's take the example. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 how much? Count in your finger. Yes, 6. Now we will change the order of the number. We will write the 4 here and we will write the 2 here. Okay, we will change the order. Means we will change their position. Now add the number. Count in a finger, add the number. Yes, what is the result? 6. Now see, when the order is in this form, 2 plus 4, then also the result is 6. When the order is changed, then also the result is 6. That means if we change the order of the digit, means addends, the sum, the result is not changed. Okay. See, again see the property. Changing the order of addends does not change the sum. Okay. This is known as the order property of addition. Now moving on to the next topic, the grouping property of addition. So what is the grouping property of addition? We will read it out. While adding 3 numbers, either the first 2 or the last 2 numbers may be grouped. Grouping the addends in any manner does not change the sum. This property is called the grouping property of addition. Now see the first example. What we are doing? We are adding the numbers. 5 plus 2 plus 6. So we can start from the up side or from the down side. We will begin at the top. Means we will first add the top two numbers. 5 plus 2, how much? Yes, count in your finger. 7. Now we will add this 7 with 6. We will add this two number, whatever is the result, we will add the 6 with it. So 6 plus 7, how much? Count in a finger. What is the answer? 13. So the result is how much? 5 plus 2 plus 6. Addition and sum of these numbers are, what is the result? 13. Now what we will do? We are starting from the topmost position. But here we will start from the down, from the bottom. Must see the numbers are same, but we will start from the bottom side. 6 plus 2. We will first add this 2 number from the bottom. 6 plus 2, how much? Yes, how much? 8. Now I will add this 8 with 5. Now 8 plus 5, how much? Count in a finger. Yes, the answer is 13. That means here also the answer is 13. Here also the answer is 13. That means whatever is the manner of grouping, we count from the top or we count from the bottom, the result will be same. So what is the second property? While adding 3 number, either the first 2 number or the last 2 number may be grouped. Grouping the addends in any manner does not change the sum. This property is called the grouping property of addition. Now the next property of addition is zero property of addition. So what is the property? The sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. This is known as zero property of addition. That means say any number. Here is one example, 3. 3 plus 0, what is the answer? The number itself. That is, the answer is 3. Take one more example, 6 plus 0 plus 3. So we will add 6 plus 0. We will start from any position. We will start from the left hand side. 6 plus 0, how much? The number itself. So what is the answer? 6. Now 6 plus 3, what is the result? Count in a finger. 9. So what will be the answer? 9. Or you can start from the right hand side also. 3 plus 0, how much? The number itself, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So whatever, how you will take the manner, the result will be 9. Okay. Now I have provided you few questions on this topic in your worksheet. Please solve these questions on time and I will give you the answer key later on. And you can see the answer key and see your result. Match them up. If it is correct, then you can put a tick beside the answer. Now see the first question, 6 plus 5. See the order. What is the answer here? What will be here in the fill in the blanks? You can see the order. What is the second property? The grouping property of addition. Now see, 6 plus 5 equals to how much? 5 plus. See the grouping property. What is the grouping property? Whatever the order, the answer will be same. So what will be the answer here? 6. So what we will write here? 6. Here also see. Okay, question number D. 509 plus 2233. So we will see the which property? Grouping property of addition. So what we will write here answer? 2233. 509 plus 2233 equals to 2233 plus 509. This is the grouping property. We can change the order, but the result will be same. Now see this question, question number G. Zero property of addition. See the number. What is the number? 8035. Now what do we know in the zero property of addition? 0 plus whatever is the number, the result is the number itself. So what we will write here? 8035. See the next example here. 0 plus 1843. So what will be the answer? The number itself. Now the next property of addition, that is grouping property of addition. Okay, so what we will write here? 6 plus 3 plus 7. Here 3 is also here, 3 is also here, 6 is also here, 6 is also here. Which number is missing? The numbers will be same, but the order and the grouping will be different. So what is missing here? 7. So 6 plus 3, how much? 9. 9 plus 7, how much? 16. Here also 3 plus 6. Now we will group. First add this number. 6 plus 7, how much? Yes, how much? 13. 13 plus 3, how much? 16. Okay.